So, quick question. Why do so many data science projects fail? Not because of bad models, not because of bad code, but because people jump straight into building without knowing what they are actually solving. And that's exactly why something called crisp DM exists. Let's rewind a bit. Back in the 90s, yes, before TikTok, before smartphones, companies were already drawing in data. Banks, retailers, telecoms, everyone had tons of information, but no clear way to turn it into value. So a group of companies got together and created a framework. Not a tool, not a programming language, a process. They call it CRISP-DM, which stands for Cross Industry Standard Process for Data Mining. And despite being decades old, it's still one of the most used frameworks in the data science today. Here's the interesting part. CRISP-DM isn't about code, it's about thinking. Let's break it down in a story. Every good project starts with a question. Not technical questions like, should we use a neural network? But a business question like, why are customers leaving? That's the first step. And surprisingly, it's the one people rush through the most because it feels slow. But skipping it is like building a GPS without knowing the destination. Now you look at your data and reality hits, missing values, weird formats, columns name things like temp final v2 real. Classic. This phase is basically detective work. You're not solving the problem yet. You're finding out if the data can solve it. This is where most of the time goes. Cleaning, transforming, filtering. It's not glamorous. No one brags about fixing null values, but fun fact, data scientists often spend up to 80% of their time just preparing data, not modeling, preparing. Now you build models. Regression, classification, clustering, this is where machine learning comes in. But here's the twist. If the previous steps were doing right, modeling becomes surprisingly easier. If they weren't, no algorithm can save you. This is where many projects quietly fail, because the model might look great technically, but completely useless in real life. Accuracy 95%, business value 0%. CRISP-DM forces you to go back and ask, did we solve the original problem? Not did we build a fancy model. Now the model goes into the real world, into apps, dashboards, systems, and suddenly real users, real data, real consequences. This is where your project stops being a project and starts being a product. Here's the part most people miss. CRISP-DM, it's not linear, it's a loop. You go back, you refine, you improve, because real-world problems change and your solution has to keep up. So CRISP-DM is basically a roadmap for data projects. Understand the problem, understand the data, prepare the data, build models, evaluate results, deploy, and improve. Simple, but powerful. The biggest mistake beginners make? Thinking data science is about algorithms. It's not. It's about solving the right problem in the right way. And crisp DM, it's what keeps you from getting lost. If you want to break into data science, don't just learn tools, learn how to think. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, because here complex concepts get a lot simpler. See you in the next one.